Welcome everyone to a new and unique educational video where I'm going to recap a trade Brian executed on Oracle. He executed this trade trading his famous strategy, the Rising Devil. First of all, what's a Rising Devil strategy? A Rising Devil strategy is a strategy that is executed exactly after the market open. Most of the time, the very first minute after the market open. There are two important criteria that should be met to execute this strategy at the open. One, you need to play it on a really weak stock that has been selling off before the market open in the pre-market. Then you need the market to open and you need the stock to pull back all the way to VWAP during the first minute. At that moment, you execute your position to the short side and you start managing the trade. Let's go to the trading terminal replay feature and see how Brian executed this trade real time. So there it is, Oracle, and the first sign of weakness is the news that it got during the past day. You can see that we gapped down after hours because of some bad news. This is the first criteria. You don't need actually to have news, but you need to play it on a weak stock. And this bad news or bad catalyst that Oracle got confirms that it has bad news and it's pretty much weak. The second thing that we need to see is a sell-off during the pre-market. And there it is. That's the sell-off that's happening before the market open. Once we see that, that's basically our confirmation. We wait for the market to open and to start getting closer to VWAP. When it gets closer to VWAP, we start executing this position to the short side. So you could see we'll get closer to VWAP, we bounce to VWAP, and I'm taking short exactly around VWAP. Stop loss slightly above VWAP. What we do next is we wait for the stock to get closer to the low of the day or preferably break the low of the day. The low of the day is 110 or 111.20. Once we break it, we start taking some partials. This trade is best managed using the 2-minute chart. So I'm switching to the 2-minute chart. Why do we need the 2-minute chart? Because one of the keys for this strategy is taking partials and trade management. And one of the things that you could do is stay short in a position as long as sitting below the 9 moving average on the 1-minute chart. And in fact, if the stock gives you an opportunity to add into your position, you could add into your position. So let's see what's happening around here. The stock is pulling back, it's going into the 9, it's rejecting it. A more advanced level, the moment you see, for example, the rejection, you could start building your position and you could start adding to the short side. Another thing that you could do about it is wait, for example, for the 2-minute candle to close as a bearish candle. In the moment the 2-minute candle closes as a bearish candle, you wait for a new low and you could add to your position. After that, you keep holding on to it as long as you are below the 9 moving average on the 2-minute chart, or maybe somewhere around it. Final target, personally for me, I go for a full average through range, or maybe until the momentum wears off, or until I have 3 or 4 5-minute candles, but this is different for different traders. So that's basically it, guys. You are now familiar with the Rising Devil strategy. What you need to do is, first of all, select the right stock to play the Rising Devil strategy on. And the right selection is to find a stock that is weak, preferably had bad news or bad catalyst. 2, you need a stock to start selling off in the pre-market before the market open. 3, you wait for the stock to pull back all the way to VWAP or closer to it, start holding around it or reject it, and that's where you initiate your position. Your first partial is at the break of the low of the day. You can add at the bounce from the 9 moving average on the 2-minute chart. You can stay in the trade as long as the stock is sitting below the 9 moving average, and maybe bail on it once it gets closer to the 20 moving average on the 2-minute chart. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Write down any questions or any comments below. All comments are appreciated, and you can follow me on Twitter to take a look at my trades. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.